When you're on a great trail that you're connected with on a perfectly set up bike and it's just flowing, seems like you can't go fast enough, seems like you can't jump far enough, nothing else is on your mind, wind's in your hair, and just right on that edge of, you know, this could get really bad really quick, but right now it's awesome. We're in Fletcher, North Carolina, just south of Asheville in the mountains of North Carolina. It's a beautiful place to live, it's a beautiful place to ride, and it's a great place to manufacture. We make the best rear suspension products on the market. It's a subjective best, for sure. Our shocks are more expensive, and when someone chooses to buy something that's more expensive, there better be a benefit to doing that. And it's not our brand, it's not our image, it's the performance of our product. They're consistent, they're reliable, and they allow people to ride their bikes in ways that other suspension components don't. So we design each of an individual part, and then those parts are, you know, by themselves, they're really simple. But then we put them together and they become something pretty sophisticated. We make great products, and the people that are making them are proud of making them. We have to innovate so that we can be the best at what we make. I think our approach to the business, along with the personalities here, have allowed us to do it. If you believe that good ideas should win, not you should win, then the good ideas will rise to the top and not maybe a single person. We've incubated that, we've fostered that, and we've allowed people to make a lot of mistakes, getting ideas really wrong, in order to get the very few right that you end up having success with. So the old cliche is fail often, fail fast, and we do that.